How to fix I can't share videos on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix I can't share videos on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Play Store or Google app and see or make sure if you are reading the latest version of if you are running the latest version of TikTok app. Now, all you need to do is go to your TikTok, click on those three lines up there, click on Setting and Privacy, scroll down, click on Free Up Space, and clear your cache to free up space on your TikTok app. Will help too much. Now, if doesn't help you, all you need to do is click on Report a Problem and wait for a second. Scroll down, and you're gonna find Feed, Search, and Share. Click on it. Now click on Share, and you're gonna find I can share videos. Click on it, and they're gonna give you some advices to do, like switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear up video cache, and make sure you are running the latest version of TikTok like I said. Now if doesn't help, click on No and click on Need More Help, and send them a video shot or screenshot of your problem with your feedback, and once you are done, click on Report, and they're gonna solve your problem. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.